What happens when you let your dog out and your dog don't know, never been in snow before?
Come here. Get in there. Get. Huh? Well, I had a workout for a whole week now. This is a 1 week workout for me.
Oh, Lord. Tell me how you feel after chasing your dog down the street.
Woo. Tired for once. Ooh, what a workout I had. Shoveling the snow all morning. Now chasing my dog. This is it. I'm done for today.
And the wife got the nerve to stand on the porch and laugh.
Yeah. The baby gets sick.